Good morning, dear children. Welcome you again to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Let's recall what all things we have discussed in previous class. Previous class, we were discussing about pinhole camera. The image formed in pinhole camera is inverted. Now let us understand what is light. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see things around us. We have already discussed this. Do you know how light travels? Light travels along a straight path. Now let us prove that light travels along a straight path with the help of some experiments.
Take a burning candle and take a cylindrical object or a long rubber tube. Now try to see through the tube. What do you see? You will be able to see the light coming from the candle. The light which produced by the flame of the candle. Now try the same thing in a different way. Instead of a straight tube, try to see the same thing through the bent tube. Now this time you will not able to see the burning candle. Why? Because light always travels along a straight path. You can able to see the light through the tube which is not bended. But when you bend the tube, it's not possible to see the light. Now let's perform another experiment. For this, you need some plain cards. Make holes at the center of each of them. Now take one burning candle. What you will see? You will see that this light will be clearly seen to be passing through the holes of all the cards. Now we have arranged the cards in such a way that holes of a card lie along a straight line. So you will be able to see the burning candle very clearly. Now just move one card this way. Now what happens? Will you able to see the light? No. This suggests that light travels along a straight line. That is why when opaque objects obstruct it, a shadow forms. Now this is a very simple experiment that you can try at your home.
Now today we will be talking about mirrors and reflection. Now we all use mirrors at home. Why we use mirrors? Yes, to see our beautiful face. Mirror is an object which reflects light. Polished and shiny surfaces usually act as a mirror. Due to reflection, image of an object is seen in the mirror. Let us understand with the help of some examples.
You would have often seen that when we stand in front of the mirror to get ready for dressing. So what is that mirror? What kind of mirror is that? It is a plane mirror with a flat surface. So they are called plane mirror. So these are the mirror which we usually used in dressing table. Now when you look into the mirror, you see your own face inside the mirror. So beauty of the plane mirror is that here the image will always be exactly identical to that of the object. the size of the image will be same as the size of the object. The length, breadth, appearance, everything will be similar to that of the object. Now let us know how our image is formed in plane mirror. When we stand in front of the mirror. So when we stand in front of the mirror, that is how our image is formed. So basically what happens is light falls on the mirror. Now see, light from the object. Now which is the object here? Yes, this is the object. So light from our body falls on the mirror. So when the rays of light falls on the mirror, what happens? As you know, mirror is an opaque object. So it doesn't allow light to pass through it. So light gets reflected because mirror is a shiny surface. So in a very simple way, image is formed for us. Likewise, image is formed in each and every point on our body, which results in the formation of this complete image. So that's how image formation takes place in a plane mirror. What you see is a reflection of your face in the mirror. We also see reflections of other objects that are in front of the mirror. Now what do you mean by reflection? When a ray of light falls on the smooth and polished surface, light returns back in the same medium is called reflection. Sometimes we see reflection of mountains, reflection of buildings, reflection of trees, and other objects in the water of a pond or a lake. So dear students, till now we have discussed about mirrors and reflection. In the next class, we will be discussing activity related to reflection.